As of January 2026, the value of the gold in this mine is approaching $19 billion.
A prospect that excited John Paulson on a recent investor call.
I am bullish on the outlook for gold. If the price goes up, you get a greater impact if you own a mining company. I couldn't be more excited about our equity investment in Perpetua.
This play for gold has angered conservationists.
Under the mining law of 1872, mining companies don't have to pay any royalties for gold or other precious minerals taken from public land. This is in contrast to oil and coal and gas, where the public does get a royalty back. In this case, there's no royalties, and the mining company gets all the profits from the gold. In essence, all this public land here is being privatized for the company's profits. If we're really trying to restore this site and extract some mineral wealth out of this, it would have required leaving some gold underground. And I wish that the company had taken a harder look at that option.
When much of the West, and the American West specifically, was explored, there was relatively lots of easy gold to get. Now what's left is the much harder gold to get. And there's an economic break-even point where the harder gold now becomes economic to recover. But that comes at the expense of additional tailings, additional waste rock, additional impacts.
The method used for getting antimony and gold out of stibnite rock historically is very environmentally destructive. You need to add cyanide to it. The rock itself already contains arsenic. And historically at this mine, those tailings after that process were just put into piles and left to leach arsenic and cyanide into the water supply.
Right here would be the location of the tailing storage facility. It would be about 480 feet tall. That is about 30 feet taller than the Great Pyramid of Giza. By volume, the tailing storage facility could hold about 29 Great Pyramids of Giza. So covering a very large area, vast amount of waste, toxic metals, arsenic stored within there.
Perpetua says that the liners that it's going to put in there, kind of like a giant burrito wrap, are as infallible as they can get, the state-of-the-art technology. But the environmentalists that I talked to say these tailings are going to be here for millennia. And there's no way that you can ensure that this will never, ever leach arsenic and cyanide into the environment.